Ayan, good morning everyone. My name is Coach Noel Santos, one of the head coaches of B Prime Pickleball Academy and also a certified coach under the Professional Pickleball Registry. Alright, so today we're here at Teresa Rizal, specifically sa Quest Sports. As you can see at my background, nandito tayo ngayon sa venue ng event ng Rizal Meet. So we're gonna go ahead and check the courts, ano ang itsura, and papakita ko sa inyo, samahan nyo ako. Let's go. So ayan, we're now here inside. As you can see, there are 3 courts. Kung nakikita nyo naman, hindi pa talaga tapos ang construction, and hopefully before Feb 1, mas malinis na siya tignan. The courts have enough space for you to move around, so hindi kayo magkakabanggaan. Ayan, so here's another angle of the courts. Grabe ang ganda ng surface dito. Sarap maglaro. You can see the building at the back. That is the comfort rooms. Alright, let's talk about nets. Quest Sports nets. Napakaganda ng quality, heavy duty, hindi ka mapapahiya dito. Here's another view of the net. So let me walk around it. Kung titignan mo siya, heavy duty talaga siya, napakaganda ng quality. You can compare it to the expensive brands, hindi sila nagkakalayo. Ayan, so just finished the game, and the court feels like the international standard. So pakita ko sa inyo yung surface sila. So here's the surface. Okay, so standard surface siya, and maganda yung bounce ng bola. Medyo naninibago lang kami kasi sanay kami sa Mission Hills, which is rubberized paint, and yung bola is dumudulas. Also, they do have an outdoor court. So these are the 3 indoor courts that they have. So they also have the outdoor. So ito yung indoor sa likod ko. So yung outdoor nila is just behind the tarpaulin. May 3 courts dyan. So kasama din yun sa lalaro. Okay guys, so it's time to go home now. Let me show you the place further. Hindi ako nakapag-video nung papunta kami. So dito na lang, ngayon na lang pauwi. So you can see the houses there or the buildings there. Those are the accommodations that you can book if you want to stay overnight. So the rates will be released by next week. So according to my source. So yan. Okay, so there are several rooms here that you can book. On the right side, yeah, medyo ano pa siya ngayon medyo magulo pa siya since under construction pa talaga siya, pero for sure after or before Feb 1, mas maayos na siyang tingnan. So ayan yung accommodation, napakaganda ng rooms dyan. Okay guys, so yan yung nasa right side, yan yung 3 outdoor courts. Sa ngayon, hindi pa siya nasa surface. So after 7 days, tapos na siyang i-surfacing. So by Saturday, January 18 or 19, kompleto na yan. You can also see there are a lot of parking areas, and there's a lot of space for you to move around. If you have kids, mag-enjoy sila dito. Yun, so it's time to go home. So overall, okay siya. Ang ganda ng location, and Um, Dito yung 3 more court sa likod. Okay, ganda ng lugar. So, see you all guys. Kita-kits tayo sa Feb 1 and 2.